Welcome back to Finance Mentor Pro, where we dive into the world of money management and personal finance. Today, we have a special treat for you, a comprehensive guide on how to take control of your finances using just $50. That's right, just a mere $50. First off, let's start with your budget. Crunch those numbers and create a detailed plan for your spending. Trust me, it's a game changer. Next up, it's time to tackle those unpaid bills and start making significant progress on paying them off. And remember, don't let debt pile up. It's a surefire way to keep you penniless. Now, let's talk about reducing those expenses. Make your home feel cozy and inviting without breaking the bank. Invest in high-quality furniture that lasts and will serve you well for years to come. And when it comes to shopping, be mindful of what you need versus what you want. It'll help keep your budget in check. Finally, ensure that your monthly income is put right back into action by opening up a savings account or investing in something that yields interest or dividends. This way, you can watch your money work for you instead of just sitting idle in your wallet or purse. So there you have it, folks. With just $50 and some smart money management tips, you can take control of your finances and start living a more financially stable life. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips and tricks. Until next time, happy saving.